Quanta Water, it is the absolute key to restoring cellular function. In addition to the nourishment, in addition to all the other components of the bulldozer pack, this is absolutely the most important. And that's why this segment is devoted strictly to Quanta Water. Quanta Water should be used every 2 hours for the first 2 to 3 months. That'll take 6 bottles per month. That's all. What does that mean? A teaspoon every 2 hours. Do you have to measure it out? Not if you're dealing with me. That means a little squirt in the mouth. That's it. Or a little sip if it was a regular cap. That's all it takes every 2 hours. Now, until when? Until dinner. After dinner, maybe 6 or 7 o'clock at night. Start first thing in the morning and every 2 hours until 6 or 7 at night. You're going to do that along with your bulldozer pack, and for most people in 6 to 8 weeks, your cellular communication can go from as low as 10, 20%, some 25%, which means you're not sleeping well, you're waking up tired, and you would be over 85% cellular function in 6 to 8 weeks. In extreme cases, it could take as much as 2 to 3 more weeks. However, that's lightning speed for most people. In addition to that, just as the directions say on the bottle, 1 to 2 ounces, I recommend 2 ounces of this, should go in a gallon of water that you drink all day for hydration purposes. A typical bottled water is going to be 20, maybe 30% in its ability to hydrate the cells. When you add Quanta Water, you take that to 85 to 100% hydration inside the cells. That is so critically important that you do that. So, 2 ounces in a gallon of water for drinking all day, and a sip every 2 hours for maximum concentrated harmonic support for the cells, for the body. Now, if you buy a bottle of water for drinking, it's usually energetically dead. It has no real coherence, so it's not going to be very hydrating to the cells. Now, if you have some excellent nutrition in the body, which if you're taking your bulldozer pack, you should have a lot of antioxidants, the body can take very mediocre water, so long as it's purified, which is reverse osmosis or distilled, and under the worst case, spring water, and it can structure it and make it so it will hydrate the cells. However, if you will simply take a small squirt of your Quanta Water like what I just did, that's it. You have just taken your bottle of water and made it 85 to 100% hydrating. Now, the beauty of this is you can taste the water first, put the squirt in, taste it again. You'll feel the difference in the texture. You'll taste the difference. Your body craves the water. You have kids that don't like to drink water? Start using Quanta Water. Watch them crave it. If you have a spouse, that doesn't like to drink the water, start using Quanta Water in it. Watch them crave the water. It's the key to bringing back your health, restoring your health, and it is the absolute key to maintaining your health, particularly around the stressful holidays. Keep the body hydrated.